How you doing? Today I will be removing the system sensor special alert classic horn strobe, this old device we have. So all we literally have to do is we'll be putting up a new alarm today. A new alarm could be the a Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. We'll be installing this unit today. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove this. So to remove this alarm is you're gonna actually remove this thing here. And then you see these wires or terminals. You may go ahead and unscrew them. Unscrew means take something that is out. We're going to go ahead and remove this. Okay, remove this. And the other one right here. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and remove this here too. So we literally have to do is just remove this. Remove the screw. Okay, sorry about that. I just paused the video. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this thing. Remove the screw. We're gonna go ahead and remove this. Remove the screw all the way. It's okay if it's hard, but I can help you on this one. So unscrew the screw, and after that, you're gonna remove this cover thing. And then now your system sensor special alert classic horn is out. And it's not working anymore. And now this horn strobe, it needs to be installed. So as you can see, we're going to remove this plate. And then as you can see, you may go ahead and insert your screws. Because I only have one screw in it. So to remove this, remove your thing. And then now you're going to see the wires. So we're going to go ahead and insert this thing right here. And as you can see, you may put one screw on the hole here. We're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you can see, now you have your Gentex Commander 3 installed. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the wires. So we're going to go ahead and insert this screw. And insert the other screw. And boom. And now you're going to insert this. Insert the wire in here. Just like that. Uh-oh. Yep, just like that. And after that, you may screw this in with your screwdriver. All the way. There you go. And then the other part looks like this. You may go ahead and insert this positive screw. Insert your positive wire and insert. Now put your screwdriver onto the screw and then screw this in. And now your positive is on the positive terminal, as you can see. Okay, we're going to insert that one more time since it's not too close. There you go. There you go. And then we might be installing this Simplex T-bar, as you can see right there. We might go ahead and do that. Remove this. Okay. So first, I might put this in. Put this in first, and now second, pop it on. There you go. Now your alarm is all set to go. And then the last one, we'll be putting up a new pull station. So as you can see, I got the pull station here. So the way to install this onto the bat box, you see some of the screws here. So there are 4 screws. So the 4 and 3 are the positive, and also 2 and 1 are the negative. So we must go ahead and do that today by inserting this screw here. And now the negative terminal looks like this. So all you literally have to do, put your negative wire into the terminal here. So we're going to be starting off with the negative wire today. Let's start off with this. And we're going to go ahead and insert the screw. And then you may go ahead and screw this in. There you go. And now the other wire is simple. You may go ahead and push in the wire right here. Okay? And now the other one, screw this in. Boom, now it's in. How about this? Now the red wire is different. We may go ahead and insert this here. Okay, so as you can see, I already put in all the wires here. So once again, wait, hold on. I think I got it right. So the positive wire is 4, and also 4 and 3 are the positive, right? So I put the red wire here, and that's for the battery. And now the white, it goes to the horn strobe here, and the negative goes down here. We must go ahead and put in this into the. We're gonna install this to the box. How about that? Okay, so as you can see, now your alarm's device. Now this device is not almost to the box yet, because as you can see, I almost trying to put this in, but we're gonna go ahead and put it in right now. Let's open up the device. And mount one screw in it. So let's put this into this hole here, and we're gonna go ahead and screw this in. Okay, since you have your alarm installed onto the box, and now all you literally have to do is close it. Alright, now your alarm is all set to go. So let me show you this thing again. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and test it with the batteries. Alright, so as you can see, we'll be testing the fire alarms now, and see how the fire alarms is gonna go. Gentex Commander 3 hooked up to my Simplex 2099-9799 brake glass pull station. For now, let's begin. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Oh. Could be the wires. Hold on. Oh, I don't know if that works. Oh. Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm and see how it's supposed to work. Uh-oh. No! Alright, back. Let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm and see how it's supposed to work. Without that horn strobe is gonna be really cool. That was so loud. That alarm just scared me. Alright. That's it. But thank you guys for watching this video.